Installation guidance for DX-G20 Vet. The entire installation process is divided into 3 parts: installation environment survey, packaging inspection and unpacking, then installation. Let's go to the first part. Before installation, please inspect the operating environment of the analyzer. Second part, packing inspection and unpacking. Before unpacking, please check whether the appearance of the box is intact. Inside the box, there are an analyzer, a manual, a quick start guide for thermal printer papers, a power adapter, and power cord, electrical control cartridge. When everything is ready, let's go to the third part, installation. Take out the thermal paper and install it. Connect the power adapter and cord. Use a LAN cable to connect the PC and analyzer. Turn on the analyzer. Download POCT Client Pet. Select language. Log in as the admin account. Go to Settings. System Settings. Network Interface to close the Wi-Fi function and set up the local IP. Open Command Prompt with local administrator privileges. Copy the URL from the POCT Pet client software. Change the IP of the PC to 10.0.0.0.102. Open Command Prompt and input IP protocol configuration. Click Refresh Listening IP to refresh the IP. Click Listening. Open Command Prompt and input ping plus IP address of the local IP. Here is 10.0.0.103. If it is successful, it means they are connected. If you have historical data or you could test one sample now, then go to the Date Center and select Sample/QC Data. Then click Synchronize. Check if the data is synchronized to the POCT Pet client software. If you use an external printer, here is guidance. Connect the external printer to the PC. Go to the printer settings and select the external printer. Go to Edit, Print Setting Interface. Then select the corresponding printer and do some setup as needed. Click the green icon to preview. Click the blue icon to print. That's all for DX-G20 installation. Thanks for watching.